sisters from Malaysia actually. And thank you so much to Panorama for introducing us into a wonderful journey throughout India. It was a very satisfying and heartwarming experience of traveling through India. We traveled to 4 different states in just 11 days, and we must say it was an amazing experience for both of us who are young. On top of that, female who are traveling together, you know. Our family have been concerned, just the 2 of us traveling alone. And thank you so much to Panorama for introducing Subhana, who has been the gem, the heart of this entire trip. He had made sure he had accommodated to all our plans, made us feel comfortable, safe the entire journey. On top of that, he felt more like our own brother rather than a person who's stranger to us. It wasn't just like meeting another person who is new to us. It felt completely like a family. Thank you so much, Subhana, for being there for us. We will definitely miss you when we are back in Malaysia. Hope to see you very soon.
Also, not only just the journey itself, also we felt very comfortable in the car. The car was always tip-top. Although there was rain, it was like perfect clean, and also the refreshing smell always there, entertaining us throughout. You know, there's to one journey to another journey is about few hours, entertaining us throughout the journey. We felt so more comfortable throughout the journey.
Yes, we felt so comfortable.
So much of
with
good
him.
memories.
He's a very talented person. He's an actor. He's a comedian. He's also a best
package
driver.
of entertainment.
He's a package of an entertainment. We really had a good time.
We
Thank you
enjoyed
so
it.
much.
We're going to definitely miss you, Subhana,
Yes,
and
we're
thank you
so
very much to Indian Panorama.
emotional.
Alright, thank
Thank you.